We all want to make lots of money from TikTok. So in this video, I will show you how to earn $100 a week on TikTok. So let's get into the video. I have been doing TikTok for 2 years now, and I have made a bit of cash in between 1 to 2K. So I am going to show you how you can be earning big as well. Number 1. TikTok Live. TikTok Live is the best way to start a community and make big money. Here is all the big money I have made from TikTok Live. You have to have 1,000 followers to start live streaming. But that won't be a problem if you watch my other videos. You need to keep you live entertaining and engaging to get TikTok to push out your live. But you're probably wondering how I am going to make money from going live. I like to do games that people have to gift coins to get a shout out or something else. This makes you a lot of money but also gives the viewer a purpose. Here's one of my examples. If you gift one of these, I will do something for you. So you have to give a reason why they should gift to you. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. If so, hit that like and subscribe button would mean a lot. The next way to earn money from TikTok is TikTok Marketplace. This one isn't my favorite, but it does the job. This one you upload a video and promote an product or company. Let me show you. Lots of companies want this and will pay very well. Just look at the money they are willing to give people. So this one is very good if you have a big following and good videos. Before we get into the last way to make money on TikTok, let me show you something. My new car, thanks to you guys for watching. Haha, just joking. But you will have a car like this one day, trust me. My last way is TikTok Work with Artists. This is another really good way to make big cash on TikTok. Let me show you. Working with artists is a really good way to hear a new song and make money. Artists are paying big money just for you to promote their song. £400 for 100,000 views. Do you think you can do this? Let me know in the comments. I really hope this helped and thank you for watching. Bye.